Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest and newest videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Let's go over Rich Rebuild's YouTube channel. He currently has 1,030,000 subscribers. Total amount of views is 109,816,269. Daily subs is 3,260 and monthly subs are 98,000. Daily revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So daily views is currently 200,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber between $3 to $5. So let's just say $4. So daily income is 200,000 multiplied by CPM of 4, which is 0.004, and you get $800. Now monthly income is $800 multiplied by 30, and you get $24,000. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So the revenue is $24,000 multiplied by 12, and you get $288,000. Now of course with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45% and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $288,000 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $158,400 per year from YouTube ad revenue alone, which is amazing. What is monetization? Monetization is when you monetize your videos, ads will run through them, and you'll make some money for the ad showing. YouTube is a company owned by Google, and you make money through Google AdSense. And in order to make money, you need a Google AdSense account. So you can't just make a channel and start making money. You need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. And you need to read and agree to the partner terms. And in order to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. And once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, Google will want to verify your address. So they'll send you a pin in your mailbox, and so they can verify your address. So you just basically need to type in the code, and once you verify your address, you'll be able to monetize your videos. You'll be able to put ads on your videos, and then you'll start being able to make money off your videos. And believe me, YouTube has changed the world, because now anybody can become a millionaire with YouTube. I've seen so many kids, YouTubers, that have earned millions just from YouTube. Actually, this year, just alone, Ryan Kaji, for third year straight, he's the number one earner on YouTube. This year, he's earned $29.5 million in 2019, which is amazing. Every year, he's killing the YouTube platform. He's making a lot of money. And also, it's not only him. There's also many other YouTubers. Like just today, I was watching a documentary, an interview. It was about Jack Doherty, and he mentioned that when he was 15 years old, he earned $140,000 in 1 month from YouTube ad revenue. So you shouldn't joke around with YouTube. YouTube, there's a lot of money to be made on YouTube. And what I think is that anyone can succeed on YouTube. If anyone is willing to work really hard, they can succeed on YouTube. If you look at my channel, when I started this channel, I did not think that I would be able to earn even 20,000 subscribers. And right now, I have over 20,000 subscribers. It just goes to show you that anyone can succeed on YouTube. As long as they're consistent, they don't give up, anyone can do it. And that's it. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And also let me know of the next YouTuber you want me to do next.